Now let's go to our pages folder, open a catalogue.php. A few changes here. Again, we need to change this first one. Cat equals this object URL get category. Now we check for the cat, obviously, and rather than get category, we're going to use get category by identity, because obviously the now in the URL we'll find the identity rather than ID of the specific category record. Now in this else statement here, after we know that category isn't empty, what we do, we're going to assign our meta tag. So this underscore meta underscore title equals category meta underscore title. And let me copy all this, paste it twice underneath. Next one is meta description. Then we have meta keywords. And the next thing, I'm going to copy this category here, because now rather than cat, we're going to be passing category ID here, because cat is no longer an ID, it's just the identity. So we need to get from this record, which we populated here by calling this get category by identity, we need to get the ID and pass to this get products method. Now, next thing we need to do is obviously amend our paging, because now the first parameter is object URL. So this object URL as the first parameter, then rows, 3 records are all good here. Now if we scroll down a little bit and see what we've got here, we've got image equals image. If it doesn't equal image, then catalog. We have path raw image. Now we're going to amend this as well. We're going to remove this path from here and path from here. We only get the image here, image name basically, rather than together with the path. Then width will be helper get image size, and now this is where we're going to put the path, which is represented by the constant catalog underscore path dot ds dot image and then 0. And then the next thing we have width, if it's obviously more than 120, that's all good. Now we obviously have links, and link will be created down up here as well. Link equals, and we go for this object URL href, and we go for catalog item, then comma array, and in the array we'll have all the other parameters. So we start with the category, then category identity, then we have comma item and row identity. So you basically take the category identity, we have category / category identity / item / item identity, and obviously href will automatically add the extension to it as well, if there is one set obviously in a config file. Then what we need to do is get this link and replace it here. If we take all this URL echo link, and then we have just image, which is now going to be together with the category path. So object category catalog underscore path dot image, and then we have echo h name width. It's all good. Now if we scroll down, obviously same situation here with the URL, so we remove all this echo link and name href, and that seems to be it. If we now save the file and move to the next video.